Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Today we're going to look at how to create a CV with ChatGPT. Really easy. Just going to start off in a new ChatGPT chat. I'm going to ask it, create me a CV. Then it's going to ask you for some details. So obviously name, contact info, education, work experience. And you can also say what job you're applying for. So what I would do to speed up this process, you can copy and paste this like into a notepad and just fill out the information here and then copy and paste it back into ChatGPT. But I'm just going to ask it to fill it out for me. Once it's got your information, it'll start creating the CV for you. Obviously, you can edit this and use different prompts to get exactly what you want. The more detailed you are, the better the CV will be. When you're happy, though, you could ask it to turn it into a PDF so you can download, and that's it. So and it will go ahead and turn it into a PDF and you can download it and use it in job applications. Hope that was helpful. I will speak to you soon. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos.